Hey there, YouTube friends. If you don't have a good pizzeria close by, you got to learn to make a pizza yourself. And after much trial and error, I cracked the code to making a good thin crust pizza. I'm going to share it with you today. Before we get to the ingredients, first we're going to preheat the oven to 500 degrees because that's one of the keys. We need a really hot oven. Now let's get to the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to make a little pizza sauce. Just got regular tomato sauce. We're going to put in our mixer, whole can. I'm doing this in real time with one hand, so forgive my shoddy camera work. We're going to put a little salt in, not too much. Just a touch of extra virgin olive oil, just a splash to keep it moist. Now we're going to throw in a little bit of onion. See how much I got there? Boom, right in there. Clove of garlic. Boom, right in there. Now we have a good amount of basil that we're going to put in. Basil makes it taste good. If you have fresh basil, that would be even better. So there's the amount of basil I put in, and then just a little bit of oregano, a couple of splashes. There you go, boom, just like that. Very good. Okay, now we're just going to blend it up. All right, now I'm going to cheat with the dough a little bit. I get my dough at Publix supermarkets. Publix is down south, and if you go to the bakery section, they have this pizza dough there. But you got to get yourself a good pizza dough. All right, now we got to stretch the dough out a little bit, just like this. And you get the oldest pan you have in the house, and we'll just lay it out. Okay, now you get yourself a big spoon, and now we're going to spread out the sauce. Now we like a lot of sauce. So I'm going to spread the sauce around. The sauce, to me, is what really makes it. Okay, if you grew up in a non-Italian household, you would call this mozzarella. But I grew up in an Italian household, we call it mozzarella. You take the mozzarella, and you spread it generously across the pizza. Don't want to be skimpy with the cheese. Now we're going to use some Parmesan cheese. I'm not going to go too heavy with the Parmesan, but it gives it a nice little taste. Now with the little bit of sauce I got left, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more on the pie. And if you like pepperoni, you can put pepperoni on, some sausage, meatball, whatever you want. But tonight we're just going to have a plain cheese pie. And now we're going to put it in our hot 500 degree preheated oven. 10 minutes and it'll be done. All right, it's been 10 minutes. And it's looking good and it smells great. Here we go. Look at that gooey cheese. That hot bubbling cheese. Look at that. See how that falls like that? That's how you want it. Just like back in New York. See how it starts to dip like that? That's how you want it. Nice thin crust pizza, that's how you do it. I hope if you make it, you enjoy it. We're going to enjoy ours now. As always, please subscribe and bon appetit. Happy pizza making. See you.